fifths. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is Sunday. It's a bright and beautiful hot day outside, but I haven't ventured out just yet because I've been busy ever since I woke up this morning. Woke up super early after getting a good night's rest and been in the kitchen cooking. Let me just show you guys real quick what I cooked today. So I did some rice and peas, but I used brown rice, so my rice is extra red today. And I made some sauce for the chicken that's in the oven, and I made a little salad, and I roast chicken. I roast a whole chicken right there. So that's what I made.
Mama,
yes, baby.
I want just.
Oh, that's how you asked for it?
I have Mama.
Can you say morning face?
Morning face.
What's that voice? What's that voice? Okay, my little nugget wants orange juice. It's a what?
No, a cat.
It's a cat?
Yeah.
So what's that hand movement at your side? What's that supposed to be?
Because say no, no, no.
The cat say no, no, no?
Yes.
Where does the cat say no, no, no? Huh?
And do
That's what the cat say?
yes.
Okay. Come for the juice. Alright, drink so we can go, okay? And I go see Papa?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, and the reason why I cook so early, this is not even for dinner, but more like for lunch, because babe is at the new house with my uncle-in-law. He's at the new house with his uncle because kitchen renovation begins today. My uncle-in-law drive like 2.5 hours to come and remove the water heater from the kitchen and put it in the toilet for us today. So they're at the house doing that right now, so I cook so they can have lunch. So I am actually going to go by the house right now because I finished cooking. I'm gonna go by the house, and then we're all gonna come back together and have lunch together. So that's what's up. Kitchen renovations start today, so I'm gonna go by the house and show you guys, and also see for the first time how far they're at and what they've done so far. So basically today's mission at the new house is taking out the water heater, placing it somewhere else so that we can hit out that wall, extend the kitchen, open it up, and so we can put in the order for a new kitchen, which is going to take over 8 weeks, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So kitchen renovation is on its way, so let's go by the house right now and see what the boys are up to. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Make sure you guys stay blessed, stay love whatever it is that you are doing today. Just have fun doing it, stay blessed doing it, stay within a positive frame of mind, and just love everybody around you. Just show strangers love, show your family extra love. Whatever it is that you're doing, just have fun doing it. I love you guys. Subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up with us. Turn on your notification bell. I'll catch you guys at the new house. Let go. Okay, you guys, so this is what is happening right now. He took this out, and these are all his equipment and stuff, and he pierced this hole here to go in the toilet. So let me show you the new one that he put up. So the new one that he placed is this right here. So it fits perfect in there, and you guys can see that it's coming through this space. So that's pretty awesome. So now this wall is going to come down. Alright, you guys, so that's the finished product. When this dry, we can cut out the plastic and cover up that and paint the those cards. But yeah, It's all done. Awesome. Oh. And we didn't get to hit down this wall today. We're gonna have to call a specific company to do that. Oh, all right, Mama gonna catch him. My son is not a big fan of anything that flies, so he's going crazy about it. So we're gonna have to call a specific company to hit this down. But the major thing is done, so that is awesome. That is good. Yeah.
Papa.
Boo.
Boo, Papa.
Bonjour.
Mama, I'm so tired.
You're so tired.
Yeah.
So why you don't go to bed? You ready to go to bed? You ready to go to bed?
No.
But you say you're tired.
No. I'm tired. Where's the living room?
You're tired with the living room?
Yeah.
Va dans la chambre alors, va jouer dans ta chambre.
The love is real. The cuddlation of them all. The love is real today, honey. You're getting it.
Mama,
Yes, you're loving on Papa?
we're sleeping.
You're sleeping with Papa?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need coffee. No. Oh no.
You're so funny.
I need the coffee. Mama. Mama.
Yes.
Don't talk about.
You want to call Uncle Conrad? How about get your clothes on first and we'll see. And Auntie Shania called you last night, but you were sleeping?
Yes.
You want me to go for the phone and you call her now? All right. Stay. Papa gonna put your clothes on, okay? That's what we normally do on weekends. He normally get to call all his aunties and uncles on the weekend and his cousins and talk to them. So he's so used to his routine. He's asking me to call my brother and my sister. He's so funny. Yes, baby?
Mama.
Okay, let's call Auntie Shania first, okay? Because she had called you last night. Wait. Look how excited he's getting. Okay, call Auntie Shania. He knows exactly which is hers.
Is this one?
Yeah, you know. Press it and call her. Look at his face. What was that? Who was that? What you supposed to say?
It's me.
You look at me like you think it was me.
I thought it was you, honey.
In front of the camera right now. Sorry, I'm not like this. I'm shy.
Uh-oh. And is Shania not answering?
Yeah.
Oh no, what do you think she's doing?
She's busy.
She's busy? Yeah, maybe. Or maybe she's sleeping. Gonna hang up?
Yeah.
Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call?
Big movie.
You gonna call mommy? Yeah. He wants to call my mother. Okay. He know how to call everybody in my phone, as in all the family that he usually calls on weekend. Uh-oh. Mommy's not answering. Okay, who you gonna try now?
No. No.
Yeah, that's him. Scroll up. Okay, touch it now. He's so funny. You're gonna see his face if my brother answer. Everybody's busy today. I'm sorry. Everybody's busy.
Oh.
So you're just gonna have to go to bed and they'll call back tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, this is end of the day. It have been a long day,
Because?
Sunday, a long Sunday. Been at, I was at work, yeah, at work. Working at the other house, even if I think again my uncle, he did a big job and I was just his assistant. So yeah, I work. I've been up and yeah, that have been a cool day, but tired day. I'm in vacation for the next 2 weeks, so yeah, I should say that I'll be fine, but I took vacation for the moving, so I won't be fine. So, yeah.
You'll be working your
away
ass
from
off
work,
every day.
but I will be working starting tomorrow, awake at 7. Oh,
We are on a mission, y'all. We have only 1 week. 1 week left.
so yeah, that's basically I'm okay. It's after 10:30 now, going to bed. So I hope you all had a wonderful day. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a French expression for tonight. It's not from me, it's from my uncle. That's what he said. I don't remember why, but he said c'est lourd comme un âne mort. I never heard that before. It simply means it's heavy like a dead monkey. And then I say, dead monkey is heavy? He say, oh yeah.
Dead monkey's heavy?
Ah, well, that's what he says. So
Okay.
you should say something that is heavy, super heavy, is heavy like a dead monkey.
Okay.
Oh, not monkey, donkey. Anne is donkey, not monkey.
I was saying monkey.
No, it's a donkey.
You're
Donkey. Say it. C'est lourd comme un âne mort.
C'est lourd comme un animal.
Âne
Âne
mort.
mort. Oh, like a dead
Donkey.
donkey.
Yeah,
Okay.
âne mort.
Âne
Not
mort.
animal.
Yeah.
Animal.
Âne, because âne is donkey.
Yes.
Okay. All right, I get that one. That was cool. And the Jamaican expression for today is going to be something that I said earlier, and Babe said, huh? That's gonna be the Jamaican expression. And the Jamaican expression is from Wapikil Philop. If you hear any Jamaicans, especially the older folks like my grandma, says,
Happy kid.
for example, somebody say, for example, a Jamaican say, me live right here, so from Wapikil Philop. They want to say Philip, but because we patois we say Philop. From Wapikil Philop mean you live here long time ago. From Wapikil Philop mean ages. Long time. Yes.
Okay.
So that's Jamaican expression for today and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Tell us off the bed, of course. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam to make sure you catch every vlog that's been going up and you don't miss any vlog. 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. We are on it. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. Comment down below. Turn on your notification. That way you don't miss anything. We love you guys and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.